Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself,
goodness.
'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping.
ได้ดูสวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ Okay, I'm not alone here today, guys. Welcome to Cooking with Mon channel. We are here at this beautiful island called Koh Lanta. Here is Jamali. She will be my big guest today. Not cook with Mon today, but cook with Jamali. Koh Lanta Island is island nearby Koh Lanta. Mali here, she have beautiful homestay behind the house here. And where the food came from? Jamali อาหารเรามาจากไหนที่เกาะลันตา
เอามาหา
เกาะ
อา
ฟอ
หารอาหารอยู่ในที่นี่ในทะเลอยู่ที่นี่
Got the food from over here in the sea and in the sand here.
Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom.
Here in Koh Lanta, you can find all the food just from the beach. Like what I'm doing now, I'm looking for this beautiful clam here. We're gonna cook them.
Inside of it, it looks weird, but it's so yummy. They're so good.
Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all, beat all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat the ball, I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't.
Jamali will show us today how to cook simple clam. Jamali อันนี้เขาเรียกว่าอะไร
อันนี้หอยเสียบที่เราขูดมาเมื่อวานเตรียมไว้
This is a beautiful clam here that Jamali and me we collect from the beach. Main ingredient is the oyster sauce, cooking oil, sugar, garlic, and drinking water. That's it. It's simple, amazing. If you don't have this clam like this, what else can you cook with this recipe? Vegetable, every kind of vegetable. Seafood, every type of seafood will go with this recipe very well. Squid, shrimp. Mon, stop talking. Mali ready to cook. You ready, Mali?
Yeah.
Yay! Take a shot.
โอ้ย
Oh, I love your measurement.
โอเคร้านเลย
Garlic, well done, Mali. You just cook without cutting board. Can you feel it? Smells so good, Mali. Home. Oh, here we go. Manu, come. I'm cooking here. You wanna have a look? Followed by the oyster sauce. 5 ช้อนเลยโอ้ม่อนทำแบบนี้อย่างงี้อย่างนี้เลย2แล้วเอา3 4 5โอเคเอาน้ำตาล
ยูกะ
Sugar, good job. Sugar, how much sugar?
1
spoon. Wow, that's a lot. Wow. Water, well done, Mali. Water. How much water? 2 spoons. Good job, 1. Why we close the lid on to make sure that clam is cooked well and open. Open like this. Open. How long จะมาลิปิดไว้นานแค่ไหนเนี่ย
ประมาณ2 นาที
2 นาที2 it means 2 minutes. Look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. What a simple but smell delicious already here again. That's it. Turn off the fire, guys. Job done. The fire is off right now. Wow.
โอเค
It's less than 5 minutes. Come and smell it.
When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na.
Yum! A simple dish but tastes amazing. If you like this dish, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Cooking with Mon.
Subscribe to Cooking
Cooking with Mon.
Cooking with Mon.
Yay!
Yay!